Welcome to my channel's viewers. See, here is a problem of some series, and the sum of the series is 1 by 1 into 2, 25C0 plus 1 over 2 into 3, 25C1 plus 1 over 3 into 4, 25C2 dot 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 plus 1 over 26 into 27, 25C25. Now first we have to follow this solution by the generalizing form. So what is the generalizing form? First we have to find the rth term, okay, then have to solve this, okay. So C is here, that is the p suffix r. So in that case we replace this is 25c, see here 25 25 25, so 25 here is unchanged, change here is 0 1 2 3 like that, so we noted that as r. But here is 1 2 2 3, so that's why here is we can write here r into, so that is here, okay, r0 from 0, so r plus 1 and r plus 2. So see, if we put here 0 then we got this, if we put 1 then we got this, okay, like that. So therefore the summation p suffix n and r equal to 0 to and 25, and C, and that is equal to summation r equal to 0 to 25, and this is the expression is 1 by 1 over r plus 1 and r plus 2, and that is 25 cr. See, so this is here summation r equal to 0 to 25, okay, 0 to 25, and we now expand these as 25 factorial 25 by factorial r and factorial 25 minus r. See, here is 1 over r plus 1, so r plus 2 into r plus 1. If we this here combine, then we get here factorial r plus 2. So now right here that is r equal to 0 to 25, and this is 25 factorial, and we can write this as a factorial r plus 2. So from that, as we see that this is r plus 2, so we can write here like 25, and see doing here, now want to express as r plus 2, as we see there is a r plus 1. Actually I want to write ncr, that is factorial n, factorial n minus r. As right here r plus 2, so we want to get here this minus r plus 2, as here is r plus 2, so we can write here as, see here it is not less than 25, so it is more than, if we write 23 plus within the bracket, okay, so that's why r plus 2, and here is a 27, okay. So we got 25, 27 minus 2 is 25 here. So but there is a 27, but here is a 25. So we want to balancing this number. We get here like if we multiply, that is here 26 into and 27. So that's why we write here 26 into 27. Okay. So see, 1 by 26 into 27, and that is summation from r equal to 0 to and 25, and that is here factorial 25, 26, 27. So we write 27 and divided by factorial r plus 2, and this is here 27 minus r plus 2. So again we write here 26 into 27. So this is here, and r equal to 0 to 25. So this is 27c r plus 2. Okay, see, if we expand this, then we got this, and in that case, so this is here 26 into 27. So now if we put here 0, so you get this 27c 2. So 27, if we put here 1, then we got 27c3. So this is here 27c27. So now we have to form 27 2 here. So we added a 2 term, and then we get easily the sum of this expression, that is here 27c0 plus 27c1, okay, and doing minus 27C0, this is here 1, and 27C1, if we expand this we get here 27. Okay, so 1 by 26 into 27, and sum of this all are 1 plus 1 whole to the power 27. So this is 28 here. Okay, and this is here 27, 26, 27 into, this is here 2 to the power 27 minus 28, and this is your answer. Answer is what? This is option B. Okay, I think you'll be happy to see this video. Okay, bye everybody.